Do you want to know how to use the Snipping Tool in Windows 10? I can show you how. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for technology tips, tricks, and tutorials, you've come to the right place. Let's jump over to my laptop and get started. Anyone who has used Windows for a long time is aware that we have always had the ability to capture still images of the screen. However, this has been limited. You can either take an image of the whole screen or just the active window. With the Snipping Tool, it's possible to take an image of any part of a screen. To take a screenshot, press the print screen key. Then open a text document, either Notepad or WordPad, and paste it in there. If you hold down the Alt key and press the print screen key, you will take an image of the active window. Again, just paste it into a WordPad or Notepad document, and it can be used for anything. You can't get an image of, say, the middle of this active window very easily. As you can see, my video is the second result. If I wanted to take an image of the screen, you couldn't do this using the old method. You can using the Snipping Tool. I'll show you that now. This is the Snipping Tool. To take an image, left-click New. The screen will turn white. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the pointer over the area of the screen that you want to capture. Once you've got the image, let go. The image was automatically copied to the clipboard and placed in the Snipping Tool window. Next, save the file. Click the File menu and choose Save As or Save if it's the first time you're saving the file. Name the file, choose the file type, and then click Save. To find the saved file, navigate to where you saved it. Let's take a look at a practical example. If I minimize iTunes, you can see that there's no podcast art displayed. You can use the Snipping Tool to fix this. Open iTunes, click the search icon on the taskbar and start typing snip. Click on the Snipping Tool. This is the Snipping Tool. To take an image of the screen, click New. The screen will turn white. Drag the cursor over the podcast cover art. Hold down the left mouse button when you've got the image, just let go. That image was copied to the clipboard and immediately put into the Snipping Tool window. Next, save the file. Choose the file name and type, and then click Save. Now you can apply this image as podcast art for the latest episode. To do that, select the episode, right-click, and choose Get Info. From this window, select the Artwork tab. Click Add Artwork in the bottom left-hand corner. Choose the image that you just saved. Click Open. The image will appear. It's blurry, but don't worry about it. That image has now been applied to the latest episode. If you need to apply this image to all of the episodes for this podcast, select the first episode, scroll down, hold the Shift key, and select the last episode. Right-click and select Get Info. Now you'll be asked if you want to edit the items because there are multiple items selected. Select Edit Items. Choose the Artwork tab and then click OK. That image will then be applied to all of the episodes for this podcast. Don't worry if the image is blurry. It's just because of its size.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
In a moment, you'll see a few of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them out, and we'll see you in the next one.